Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Log into Roblox on the device you'll use and open the avatar editor. Once done, locate the face asset page you want and copy the numeric asset ID. This is the key value you'll use. Make sure the asset is either free or purchasable by your account. If it's paid, buy it now. Then open Avatar Body Faces so you're ready to apply a new face. This saves time and keeps the steps focused and sequential. Now you'll actually apply the face. Open the Faces asset page and verify the numeric ID. If the site provides a direct equip or buy button, use it. Otherwise, go to Avatar Body Faces, select a face slot, and either select the purchased asset from your inventory or paste the ID into the picker if using a browser tool that accepts ID. Save and refresh your avatar. This ensures the engine loads the asset correctly, and you finish by confirming the face appears in-game and on your avatar profile. If it doesn't show, clear the client cache or reload Roblox and check again. Make sure you actually own or have equipped the asset and that the numeric ID matches the face page. Ownership and permissions are often why faces fail to display. If problems persist, try a different browser or device, re-download or repurchase the face, and reapply. This resolves most syncing or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.